By the time I got there, other rail fans were already set up and waiting. The quarry today would be a North Carolina transportation locomotive leading Amtrak 92.
Okay, right in the bags. All right, be ready to depart. Temple, signal indication.
The other fans learned by email what I learned by dumb luck at a crossing 20 minutes earlier. The southbound Silver Star encountered engine trouble somewhere up country, and the good folks at North Carolina Transportation loaned them one of their Jeeps. Now the Carolinians were getting it back on the northbound run. It's kind of nice that the Silver Star actually has a star on the nose.
All right, so Mr. Fordham there on NC1792, PL9219, Tampa Union Station, 56739 will be your authority number. 56739. Copy an absolute north, TUS and Greco blocks, 2 blocks over.
Okay, Fordham on Amtrak engine 1792 has the absolute north, TUS and Greco. That's 2 blocks on that authority, 56739, over.
I do not know what possessed me, but I decided to give chase to this thing, knowing that catching it again before the station stop at Lakeland is virtually impossible. By the time I got out to I-4, the Star was already out in front. I could hear him trip the Dover defect detector, but Dover was ahead of me.
No defect. Total axle 4-8. Detector out.
The traffic was moving well, though, and I thought I had caught up with him.
92, NC1792, north clear, north entry.
Okay, I thought wrong. If I exited here, I would only be photographing Silver Star dust. I got off at County Line Road, well ahead of him, but there was no good shot here. Dashing east on State Road 574, I might have a chance at Airport Road, if luck held.
PL92, engine 1792, north clear, southwest pass.
The engineer of Amtrak 92 was looking at a signal just underneath that bridge on the right. Not enough time to get out and set up. Any hope for catching 92 again disappeared with his rear markers. If I'd had time to get up on the overpass, the shot would have been much better. I did catch Amtrak 89 here back in January 2004.
Dragon 89 clear at South Winston northbound, over.
South Winston northbound, 89 now.
A much less substantial train. This is the south end of Winston Pass and the south end of the Lakeland double track here on the A-line. Just around the corner, the north end of Winston Yard. Back in the winter of 2004, scenes like this K-869 with Canadian Pacific run-through power were common. 4 miles north on the timetable, Lakeland is my favorite spot for Central Florida rail fanning. There's lots of mainline traffic, like Q441, inbound from Waycross. The now abandoned Seaboard Coastline passenger station makes an excellent spot to wait for trains, like this Q604 northbound from Winston to Waycross. Another reason I love this place, those Atlantic coastline cantilevers with their searchlight targets. They're still signaling trains. The Florida tile plant in the background is gone now, but Lakeland Junction is still the center of Lakeland railroading. Here, the Vitus sub joins the A line. To the right, about 200 yards, is the old depot we just left. And to the left is downtown Lakeland. And that signal, a medium approach medium, is for this train, Q603. A Waycross to Winston mixed freight daily. Lakeland is also one of the few Central Florida towns that was coastline only. The Seaboard Airline never ran here. In Lakeland, Florida, this is Danny Harmon, out.